Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a little bit different. I've actually wanted to start vlogging for a while, but I haven't been able to work up the courage, but I decided I might as well just start. And so I'm gonna redo my vanity space and kind of get that organized. And I might give you a little house tour as well, because right now I'm pretty decorated up for fall, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so I'm downstairs now and I'm here in front of my little kind of vanity area. It's sort of in the kitchen. It kind of was meant to be our dining room table, but we just never really got used to eating in here because the space is so small. So right now we just used it as a party table for Halloween. So the first step is gonna be for me to get all this out of here, clear it out, and then decorate it according to how I want it, which will probably be fall. Pumpkins. I love pumpkins. So let's get started. Organized how I want it. I have one of my favorite candles. This burnt out a long time ago, but I put my brushes in here to just make it a little more festive. And then in here I just have like some random eyeliners, things like that, lash tweezers, all that stuff. And then in here, so I have some eye glitters in here, some of my favorite Kat Von D shadows, my favorite Tarte primers, things like that. All my foundation and primers back here. And then we have mascaras here and liners, lash glue, eyelid primer. This is just a bunch of random like lipsticks that didn't fit in my lipstick thing. And then here is all of the face stuff. I have all of my Tutti Frutti collection, which I love, and just kind of all my face stuff. And then here I have all my Kat Von D. My sister borrowed my last one, unfortunately, so it's not the perfect front that I like to have, but that's okay. And then these are just kind of all my lipsticks here. And then back here I have this, I think it's actually like a mail organizer, but I use it for palettes and it's fantastic. I have my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, Kat Von D, my Tarte palette, Too Faced, all that. Here's my glow kit. And then I just have some like overflow bottles and stuff and little tiny palettes. And then in this guy on top, I just kind of have like some random minis. And on the bottom, I have all of my Too Faced lipsticks because, oh, if I can get them out here, these are some of my favorites, and so I like to keep them together because these are the ones that I'm grabbing. Actually, the nude gloss of this is in my bag right now, so this is what I'm using, and I'm loving it. I also love these guys. I think the applicator is super interesting, and it was one of the first ones that I've seen that has the kind of plush applicator. And then this stuff down here is kind of just overflow. I have my beauty blenders. I'm missing a couple. Some of my ColourPop shadows over here. Some miscellaneous shadows. And then I have my Machino Bear palette and some other random palettes. I showed this one while I was cleaning because this is my little vault that I got and I love it. So now I'm going to arrange my space because it is a bit of a mess. So I just have everything organized here with my brushes in this super cute little candle jar, and everything is all set up. It's gonna be really easy for me to put my makeup on in this space now, and it's just really open and I love it. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really happy with how the space turned out. It wasn't a huge change, but I organized a lot and that was great. So before it was just piled on there like the whole table, so it was crazy. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep an eye out for new videos coming soon because I'm always doing stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!